guys, how are you doing? I hope you're popping. I hope you guys are popping. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We have something exciting. It's a makeup competition. In this video, we decided to do something different so we can give back to our viewers, you know, our subscribers. You guys know we can't be giving everybody money, but for us to give back, there will be a game, okay? There will be a game so that the winner get the money, okay? So this is how it works, okay? In this video, there is 3 makeup look by 3 different makeup artists, okay? Our in-house makeup artists, 3 different looks, 3 different models. All you need to do is to say which number is your winner. You can say number 1 is my winner because I like the brows. Number 2 is my winner because I like the brows. When you leave your comment, all you need to do is to now share the video. You can share the video on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook, on your Instagram. Like, if you're the first to get to 1K like, screenshot your comment, send it to our email. The email is going to be under this video. Okay, and what? £200 is gonna be yours, okay? Any country you are, we're gonna send it in your currency inside your bank account. So you're not gonna stress yourself going to collect it from Western Union or whatever. It's gonna go straight into your account, okay? You guys, this is gonna be fun. You guys know I love makeup. I know you guys love makeup. I love watching makeup. So this is gonna be fun. We're gonna be posting more videos, more makeup competition videos, so you guys stay tuned, subscribe, so when next we post a makeup competition video, you will be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to watch our other videos. Okay, you guys, we are back and this is gonna be fun. This channel is gonna be fun because it's gonna be party. Enjoy. Also, if you want me to do like a reaction video where I'm reacting to, you know, some makeup look, there are some makeup look created by some of my artists. I really want to react, like, girl, what are you doing? Like some hairstyle, like, let me know in the comment section. This is gonna be fun because you guys know I'm gonna be doing what? Reacting. Okay guys, see you guys soon.